Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss TCS NQT 2026 complete syllabus. Are you worried about TCS NQT 2026 exam? Are you confused about what exact to study and how to prepare? Don't worry, you are not alone. Every year lakhs of students take this exam, but only the one with clear strategy make it through. Today, I'm going to decode the exact syllabus for the TCS NQT 2026. I will tell you what is must know and how the entire paper is structured. Think of this exam like a marathon. It's not a sprint. The total time you will be sitting in this chair is exactly 190 minutes. That is 3 hours 10 minutes. You need stamina, but more importantly, you need a map. So grab a note, sit back and let's break down this map together. But the end of this video, you will know exactly what to study. Let's start. Alright, let's look at the overall pattern first. The exam is divided into two main parts, part A and part B. Think of part A as a foundation of your house. If foundation is weak, the house falls. Part A is the aptitude section. You have exactly 75 minutes here. It consists of numerical ability, verbal ability, and reasoning ability. You will get 25 minutes for each section. That means you have about 1 minute per question. Speed is your best friend here. Let's deep dive into numerical ability syllabus. You need to master number systems, HCF and LCM, and mensuration. But the biggest chunk, it's arithmetic. Ages, averages, percentages, profit and loss, work and time, distance and speed. You also need to know data interpretation like pie charts, bar charts, and basic elementary statistics like mean, median, mode. Next up is reasoning ability. Here you have to be a detective. You need to solve logical deductions, blood relations, and sitting arrangements, image figuring out who sits next to whom at a family dinner, that sitting arrangement. Also prepare for syllogism, Venn diagrams, clocks, calendars, and visual reasoning like unboxing a cube. The last part of the foundation is verbal ability. This tests your basic English. You will see reading comprehension, error spotting, close tests, and parajumbles. You must brush up on your basic English grammar, articles, prepositions, tenses, and subject verb agreement. Just think of it as writing a very professional email to your future boss. Now we enter the danger zone. Just kidding. But seriously, this is where you stand out from the crowd. Part B is the advanced section and you will get 115 minutes here. This is what decides if you get a premium package. First, you have quantitative aptitude and reasoning ability. You have to answer 14 tricky questions in 25 minutes. The topics are similar to Part A, but the difficulty level is high. The questions will combine 2 or 3 concepts together. And finally, the most important part for all techies out there, the advanced coding ability. You only get 2 questions, but you have 90 minutes to solve them. Yes, 90 minutes for just 2 questions. That tells your level of logic required. What do you study? Everything in data structures and algorithm. You must know arrays, strings, and 2D matrices. These are your basics. But to crack hard question, you need to be comfortable with linked list, stack, queues, hash map, searching and sorting. And if you want to be completely safe, learn trees, graphs and dynamic programming. If you master DP and graphs, you are basically unstoppable. I know looking at this huge list can feel overwhelming, and do not try to learn everything in 1 week. Pick one aptitude topic and one coding topic every day. Spend 30 minutes solving percentages and then spend an hour writing code for array manipulation. For coding, logic is more important than syntax. TCS doesn't care if you use C++, Java or Python as long as your logic passes all the hidden test cases. Let's quick summarize. 190 minutes total. Part A is your speed test for basic math, logic and English. Part B is your deep knowledge test for advanced problem solving and coding. Take a screenshot of your syllabus list I showed earlier and stick them on your wall. That's it in this video. If this syllabus breakdown helped clear your confusion, hit the like button, share it with your college WhatsApp group, help your friends out. Subscribe this channel for more placement preparation video. Keep studying, keep practicing, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.